Welcome to Unfolded English Podcast. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Alex. Today we have a fun topic for you.
Picture this. You walk into a coffee shop in New York. The barista says something really fast. What do you say?
Oh, that happens to me too, even as a native speaker sometimes.
Exactly. So today we're talking about coffee shop English, real conversations that happen every day.
Right. Let's start with the most common question. What do baristas usually say first?
They usually say, "What can I get for you?" or "How can I help you?" Sometimes just, "Next."
Yes. And the simple answer is, "Can I get a coffee, please?" That works every time.
Can I get a coffee, please?
But what if they ask about the size? They might say, "What size?"
Good question. You can say, "Small, please," or "Medium, please," or "Large, please." Very easy.
Right. And if you want something specific, you can say, "I would like a latte."
Yes, I would like a latte. That's very polite. What other drinks do people order, Alex?
Well, cappuccino is popular. You can say, "I'll have a cappuccino." The word "I'll have" is very common. I'll have a cappuccino means the same as I want a cappuccino, but I'll have sounds more natural.
Great point. Now, what happens when you don't understand something? This happens to everyone.
Oh yes, you can simply say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?" Don't feel bad about asking.
Exactly. Sorry, can you repeat that? Or even shorter, sorry, what? Both are fine.
And what about payment? They usually ask cash or card.
Yes, just answer cash or card. One word is enough. Super simple.
Now, let me ask you something, Lucy. What if someone wants decaf coffee?
Good question. You say, "Can I get a decaf coffee?" Decaf means no caffeine.
Right. And what about milk? Some people want oat milk or almond milk.
You can say, "With oat milk, please," or "Can I have almond milk?" Easy.
Perfect. What happens at the end? When you get your coffee?
Always say, "Thank you." It's polite. Sometimes they say, "Have a great day." You can say, "You too."
Nice. You too is such a useful phrase. Short and friendly.
Now let's practice some key sentences. These are the most important ones to remember.
Great idea. Let's go slowly so everyone can repeat.
Can I get a small coffee, please?
I would like a latte.
I'll have a cappuccino.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
With oat milk, please.
Card, please.
Thank you. You too.
Excellent. Now you have much more knowledge about coffee shop English, from basic phrases to etiquette, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Before we finish, let's talk about coffee shop etiquette. This is really important for a good experience.
Let me do a quick recap. The 3 most important sentences are these. Yes. First tip, always wait in line patiently. Don't push or cut in front of other people. This is very rude.
Yes, tell us. Second tip, have your order ready when you reach the counter. Don't waste the barista's time by deciding what you want.
Can I get a coffee, please? Third tip, speak clearly and not too quietly. Coffee shops can be noisy, so make sure the barista can hear you.
Perfect. With those 3 sentences, you can order coffee anywhere in English.
Fourth tip, if the coffee shop is very busy, don't sit at a large table if you're alone. Leave space for groups of people.
That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening to Unfolded English Podcast. And remember to clean up after yourself. Put your cups in the right place and wipe your table. This is very polite.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow our podcast. It really helps us grow. Now let's learn some additional coffee vocabulary. There are many types of coffee drinks. Lucy, what about espresso-based drinks?
Yes, when you follow us, more people can find the podcast. That helps us make more episodes for you. Good question. An espresso is a strong, small coffee. A macchiato is espresso with a little bit of steamed milk on top.
And remember, listening to English every day makes you better. Even just 10 minutes helps. Right, and a mocha is coffee with chocolate syrup. It's sweet and delicious. What about an Americano?
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. We'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day. And Americano is espresso with hot water. It tastes like regular coffee, but stronger. Very popular in America.
Bye, everyone. Don't forget about iced drinks. You can say, "Can I get an iced latte?" Or, "I'll have a cold brew." Cold brew is very smooth.
And in different seasons, coffee shops have special drinks. Pumpkin spice latte in fall, peppermint mocha in winter. Very fun.
Now let's practice some more complex orders. These are for intermediate learners. Are you ready?
Can I get a large iced latte with oat milk and an extra shot?
I would like a medium cappuccino with almond milk and vanilla syrup.
Could I have a decaf Americano with soy milk, no sugar, please?
Great! Now let's talk about small talk. Sometimes baristas or other customers might chat with you. This is normal and friendly.
They might say, "How's your day going?" You can answer, "Pretty good, thanks," or "Not bad, how about you?"
If the weather's nice, they might say, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" You can say, "Yes, it's lovely," or "Perfect weather for coffee."
And if you're a regular customer, they might remember your order. They could say, "The usual?" You can say, "Yes, please," or "Actually, I want to try something new today."
Before we finish, let's practice pronunciation of some tricky coffee words. This will help you sound more confident.
Cappuccino.
Macchiato.
Espresso, not espresso. That's wrong. It's espresso. Remember, espresso, not espresso. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening to Unfolded English Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow our podcast. It really helps us grow.
Yes, when you follow us, more people can find the podcast. That helps us make more episodes for you.
And remember, listening to English every day makes you better. Even just 10 minutes helps.
Exactly. Practice makes perfect. We'll see you in the next episode. Have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone.